What kickstarted this journey on right now is due to this one single picture I saw on Google about this place here around 2 years ago. I immediately told my friends we must get here and see this ourselves. We just arrived at this parking lot. From here we need to hike for about 20 to 30 minutes to reach this miraculous pool, and I'm already so excited to go there.
Yeah, me too. I mean, I simply can't wait. We've been waiting for this for so long. When Djemo first showed me the picture of the waterfall, I immediately said, yes, let's go. And now that we're getting closer and closer, I simply can't wait.
Definitely I'm going to enjoy. I can already tell you, for sure I will. Don't even need to read this, for sure I know that I'm going to enjoy this place. Tanah Marapu. So I think this is probably a holy place for the people following the Marapu religion, which is the native belief of the Sumbanese people. Selamat siang. Ada ramai orang di bawah?
Ramai.
Okay, they said there's many people down there, but they were like giggling a lot. I think they're probably just joking.
Oh my god, I think I can see it from here now.
So we just reached the water, but we have to cross over, so we need to walk through the water. Good, my friends brought slivers and myself I brought waterproof shoes. Finally, here we are, this magical waterfall. This is the reason what brought us to Sumba Island here in Indonesia. Looks really incredible, the waterfall with this deep blue lake, like a Gatorade factory. Incredible place. There's absolutely nobody except us. We're now going to change to the other side. It looks like it's impossible, but it is actually possible. You can cross the waterfall. There's another basin further up. Wow, I never thought I would make it actually. It's very difficult to come here, but here I am. Wow, it's so cool to jump into the water and then especially swim in this Gatorade factory. Actually, many places you can jump from, but nothing is better than jumping from the waterfall itself.
We extra planned to come here on Monday so that we can make sure that there's not much people in here.
Yeah. So speaking about the best time to come here, it would be from 11 AM to 2 PM. This is because this canyon here is quite narrow and there will be not much sunlight. But during these hours you will have some sunlight penetrating the forest, going down to the pool. It's going to look very beautiful. But do not come here after 3:30 because it's already going to be getting darker, and especially for hiking up, I think it's not going to be very cool.
I've been editing Djemo's videos, and this place actually reminds me of one of your videos. Ticino.
Yeah. Yeah, actually my favorite secret spot, it looks pretty much like this. The pool is a bit larger. So yeah, that's its Asian twin brother. I can already imagine how terribly crowded this place would be if it was on Bali. It would be probably flooded with a lot of tourists, especially Instagrammers taking a lot of pictures. Well, here on SUMBA it happens that we have this beautiful gem all for ourselves. And this is exactly the reason why I wanted to come to this island. So this place here is called Air Terjun Waimarang. Wai means actually water in the East Sumbanese language. And so beautiful. It reminds me of Ticino. I could also see this being on Hawaii, but we're here in Indonesia and I'm just speechless. The beauty is really insane. I'm really glad that the place was as beautiful as in my dreams. Super happy to have come here, and if you want to see more videos like this, then I'm going to see over there. Otherwise, if you're more interested in Europe, then let's meet in this video.